Imagine a world where a single company dominates the cryptocurrency market, yet faces constant legal battles and regulatory scrutiny. Welcome to the story of Binance. Founded in 2017 by Changpeng Zhao and Yi He, Binance quickly rose to become the largest cryptocurrency exchange by daily trading volume. Initially based in China, Binance moved its operations to Japan and then Malta, avoiding strict regulations. Despite its global reach, Binance has no official headquarters, adding to its mysterious allure. In 2018, Binance launched the Binance Charity Foundation, aiming to use blockchain for philanthropy in third-world countries. The same year, Binance acquired Trust Wallet, a decentralized cryptocurrency wallet, expanding its product offerings. However, Binance's journey hasn't been smooth. In 2019, it suffered a major security breach, losing 7,000 Bitcoin worth $40 million. Binance's CEO, Changpeng Zhao, assured users that they would be reimbursed through the Secure Asset Fund for Users, SAFU. In 2021, Binance faced investigations by the U.S. Department of Justice and the IRS for money laundering and tax offenses. The UK's Financial Conduct Authority also ordered Binance to stop all regulated activity in the country. Despite these challenges, Binance continued to grow, even sponsoring the Africa Cup of Nations in 2021. In 2022, Binance invested $500 million towards Elon Musk's acquisition of Twitter, aiming to integrate blockchain technology. But the controversies didn't stop. In 2023, Binance was fined $432 million in Canada for violating money laundering laws. In the same year, Binance's CEO Changpeng Zhao stepped down after pleading guilty to multiple charges, including money laundering. Richard Teng took over as CEO, promising to steer the company through its legal troubles. Binance's token, BNB, originally called Binance Coin, was launched in 2017 and became the third highest market cap cryptocurrency by 2021. BNB was initially on the Ethereum network but moved to Binance's own BNB Smart Chain in 2020. In 2022, Binance rebranded Binance Coin to Build and Build, reflecting its evolving ecosystem. Binance also issued a stablecoin, BUSD, pegged to the US dollar, but faced issues with under-collateralization. In 2023, the New York Department of Financial Services ordered Paxos to stop minting new BUSD tokens. Binance advised users to migrate to First Digital USD, FDUSD, as it discontinued support for BUSD. Despite regulatory hurdles, Binance continued to expand, gaining regulatory approval in France and Italy in 2022. However, in 2023, the Paris prosecutor's office announced an investigation into Binance for illegal canvassing and money laundering. In the same year, Binance faced a criminal complaint in Thailand for operating without a license. Binance's operations in the United States have been particularly challenging, with multiple investigations and lawsuits. In 2023, Binance US CEO Brian Schroeder resigned, and the company reduced its workforce by a third. Binance's involvement in the 2023 Israel-Hamas conflict led to further scrutiny, with accusations of facilitating terrorist funding. In November 2023, Binance agreed to pay a $4.3 billion fine, and Changpeng Zhao stepped down as CEO. Despite these setbacks, Binance remains a dominant player in the cryptocurrency market, continually adapting to regulatory challenges. Binance's story is a testament to the volatile and rapidly evolving world of cryptocurrency. As Binance navigates its future, it remains to be seen how it will balance innovation with regulatory compliance. Stay tuned to see how Binance continues to shape the future of digital finance. Binance, innovating amidst chaos.